Hello students, good morning. Hello everybody. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Very good. Today I shall start a new chapter, construction of quadrilaterals under practical geometry from class 8 mathematics. You all know that in a quadrilateral there are four sides, four angles and two diagonals. So there are 10 parts in all to be constructed. Out of these 10 parts, we need only 5 parts to construct a quadrilateral. You have already constructed triangles in class 7. So here the quadrilateral will be divided into two triangles. We will construct each triangle and then the whole quadrilateral will be formed. So for constructing a quadrilateral we need 5 parts. These 5 parts can be 4 sides of the quadrilateral and 1 diagonal, 3 sides of a quadrilateral and 2 diagonals, or 4 sides of a quadrilateral and 1 angle, 3 sides of a quadrilateral and 2 angles, or 2 sides of a quadrilateral and 3 angles. In any way, we need 5 parts to construct the quadrilateral. Now in the first type, I will show you how to construct a quadrilateral if the 4 sides are given and one of the diagonal is given. Okay. So here is the topic, to construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. And here is the question, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 4.8 cm, BC equals to 4.3 cm, CD equals to 3.6 cm, AD equals to 4.2 cm and diagonal AC is equals to 6 cm. That means the 4 sides of the quadrilateral and the diagonal AC are given. So during construction of quadrilaterals, one very important thing is that to draw a rough quadrilateral using a scale where accurate measurement is not required. Draw any quadrilateral, write down its name and also write down the measure of length of each side on the diagram, and then taking the view of that rough diagram, try to draw the original diagram with accurate measurements. Okay, so here is the rough diagram, that is quadrilateral ABCD. I have drawn without any measurement. I have taken the diagonal AC as horizontal. Always draw the diagonal horizontal if possible and then draw the other sides. So AC is the diagonal of this quadrilateral whose measure is given 6 cm. So write it here on the diagram. Then AB is 4.8. So 4.8, all these measurements are in centimeter. You must write down centimeter, though we know that it is not accurately measured. It is only a rough diagram. So you can draw any rough diagram. BC equals to 4.3 centimeter. CD equals to 3.6 centimeter. And AD equals to 4.2 centimeter. So this is a rough diagram with the measurements given in the question. It is written on the diagram. Now looking at this diagram, we have to draw the original diagram. But before drawing the original diagram, don't forget to draw the lines, sides with accurate measurement. Like here it is given AC as 6 centimeter. So first of all, let me erase this question from here. So first of all, draw AC 6 centimeter accurately with the help of ruler. Suppose this is 6 centimeter. Though it is not actually 6 centimeter, but I have taken the length proportionally. Okay. So in your copy, it will be not more than this much, 6 centimeter. I have taken it proportionally. So this is 6 centimeter. Let us suppose that this is 6 centimeter. Then what is AB? AB is 4.8. It is 4.8. Write this as 4.8 here. Then BC is 4.3. 4.3. Then CD is 3.6. CD is 3.6. And finally AB is 4.2. So AB is 4.2. So draw the length of all the sides here at the right side of your copy. Now we have to start with the diagonal 6 centimeter. So first of all, draw one horizontal line. Little bit bigger than this length, little bit bigger, because we have to take the measure with the help of compass from this line and construct it here. So from now onwards, we are going to use the tools of mathematics, like this is a wooden compass. I am going to use this compass to draw the quadrilateral or to construct the quadrilateral. So this is 6 centimeter, this is the diagonal AC 6 centimeter. So with the help of compass, take this measurement AC equals to 6 centimeter. Place the compass here at A and cut 6 centimeter. This is C. So this is A and this point of intersection is C. That means I have got the diagonal AC. Now AB and CB will be constructed below the diagonal AC. So AB is 4.8 and AC is BC is 4.3. So first 4.8, this is 4.8. 4.8 is AB. So place the compass on A and make an arc whose radius is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, this is 4.8. Now BC is 4.3. So this is 4.3. Take this measure 4.3. Place the compass on C and draw another arc like this. So these two arcs will meet. Let me extend this arc a little bit. So this is AB and 4.3 is this is CB. So both these are drawn from A and C meet at this point. So this point is B. Now join this AB and AC. This is AB and this is BC. Okay. So one triangle is completed. Now the other triangle ADC. So above AC is the point D. So we have to construct AD first. What is AD? AD is 4.2. So let me take this measurement 4.2. This is 4.2. So draw an arc here. 4.2. And CD is 3.6. So draw 3.6. So it is intersecting here. Okay. So the arc drawn from A and C meet at this point. So that is D. Now join CD and AD. This is CD and this is AD. Thus we can see that the quadrilateral ABCD is formed. Okay. So in this way, if the four sides and one diagonal is given, we can construct the quadrilateral. Understood all of you? Good. So let me draw another quadrilateral where three sides and two diagonals are given. So here is a question. The topic is to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. The question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 4 cm, BC equals to 3.8 cm, AD equals to 3 cm, diagonal AC equals to 5 cm and diagonal BD is equals to 4.8 cm. So first of all, a rough diagram is required, ABCD, where I have drawn the diagonal with any length. No, it is not accurately drawn. It is a rough diagram, and all the length of the sides are marked on the diagram. Now, taking the view of this diagram, I have to construct the main diagram. Understood? So the measurements are written over it. Now let me start doing the construction. So first of all, as I have told you, draw the length of the sides which is given on the diagram, the accurate length of the sides. So AC is, so first I shall draw AB. So I am drawing, this is AB of length 4.4 cm. Suppose this is 4 cm AB. Then the diagonal AC 5 cm. Diagonal AC 5 cm. Diagonal BD 4.8 cm. This is 4.8. This is 5. Then BC is 3.8 and AD is 3. This is 3.8 and this is 3. So after drawing the sides over here with accurate measurement, first I will start drawing AB. AB equals to 4 cm. So draw one horizontal line, little bit bigger. This is A and B is not known. We have to take the measurement of AB from this length and then construct it here. Since AB is 4 cm, so this is 4 cm. Place the compass on A and cut the line at B. Therefore, this is B, whose length is 4.8 cm, 4 cm rather. Now from E I have to draw one diagonal AC and from B another diagonal BD. So from SA the diagonal is AC whose length is 5 centimeter. So let me take 5 centimeter from here. This is 5 centimeter. Make an arc of 5 centimeter. So I have got this length AC, but the point C is not known. To get the point C, I have to draw another arc from B, which will intersect this arc and whose length is 3.8. Means I have to draw BC. So first of all, I have to take the length BC. BC is 3.8. This is 3.8. So let me take 3.8 from this diagram. This is 3.8. Place the compass here and cut the previous arc. So this is C. From A, this arc has radius 5 centimeter, and from B, this arc has radius 3.8 centimeter. Both the arc intersect at the point C. So I have got the point C. Now join BC and also join the point line AC. Draw the line AC. So as you can see, the triangle ABC is ready. Okay. Now we have to find the point D. Now see, D is connected with B, means we can draw an arc taking 4.8 centimeter as the radius, and we can also draw another arc taking 3 centimeter as the radius. Both this arc will meet at the point D, so we will get D. First of all, the diagonal BD. So length of BD is 4.8. This is 4.8. So let me take this length. The radius is 4.8, and I have to draw the diagonal in this way. 4.8. So I have to place the compass at B or on B and then draw an arc. Okay. Now from A I have to draw another arc whose radius is 3 centimeter. So this is the length 3 centimeter. Therefore, both the arc meet at the point D. The length of this point is 4.8 and the length of this point from A is 3. The radius BD is 4.8, so I have drawn an arc with the radius 4.8 and the length of AD is 3, so I have drawn another arc of radius 3 centimeter from A. So both these arcs meet at the point D. Here. Therefore, I have got the point D also. Now join AD and also join CD. Therefore, the quadrilateral ABCD is ready. So here we must write down the values. The measurement AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 3.8 centimeter. The diagonal AC, we have to join the diagonal BD also. The diagonal AC is 5 centimeter, write it over here. And diagonal BD is 4.8, so write here 4.8. And AD is 3 centimeter, so write here 3 centimeter. So therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is the required quadrilateral according to the given question. Understood? Hope you have understood how to draw a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Okay? So in the next class we will learn some more types of quadrilateral. Till then, you have to practice some more sums on these two topics, that is construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, and also construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So practice some more sums from your textbook and other books, and let us return for the next class, where I will show you some different types of construction of quadrilaterals where angles are also involved, means 4 sides and 1 angle, 3 sides and 2 angles, and so on. So until then, goodbye, have a nice day, enjoy your time.